Hello students, in the previous video we had seen the explanation of the chapter 4 class 5 EVS. The chapter name is Mangoes Round the Year. Now in this video we will see the exercise for this chapter. So let's start with the exercise. So first question is fill in the blanks. First blank is blank can be kept fresh by boiling it. So milk is your answer. Milk can be kept fresh by boiling it. The next blank is blank can be kept fresh by keeping it in a dry open place. So your answer is onion. Onion can be kept fresh by keeping it in a dry open place. Here the brackets is given to you and you have to find the appropriate word from this bracket. So in the second your answer is onion. The next blank is Mami di Tandra is prepared from blank mangoes. So it is prepared from the ripe mangoes. The next blank is pulp can be strained using blank cloth to remove the fibers. So your answer is muslin. Pulp can be strained using muslin cloth to remove the fibers. The next blank is fruits and vegetables in the home can be preserved by keeping them in the blank. So your answer is fridge. Fruits and vegetables in the home can be preserved by keeping them in the fridge. The next blank is making jam is a way of preserving the fruits by adding blank. So making jam is a way of preserving fruits by adding sugar. So sugar is your answer. So here the blanks is given to you. Next is also fill in the blanks in that first one. We may become blank by eating spoiled food. The options are given to you, that is sick or healthy. So we may become sick by eating spoiled food. So your answer is sick. The next question blank is we should carefully watch blank date before buying packaged food. So the options are packed food, packed on or best before. So your answer is best before. We should carefully watch best before or you can say expiry date before buying packaged food. The next blank is a spoiled bread develops grey color blank on it. Your options are vitamins and fungus. So your answer is fungus. A spoiled bread develops grey color fungus on it. The next is papad, chutney, badiyan and sauce are example of blank food. The options are preserved or spoiled. So papad, chutney, badiyan and sauce are the examples of preserved food. So here the answers is given to you and there is the underline under the answers. The next question is look in your kitchen and write down names of food items that first in that is can get spoiled in 2 to 3 days. So your answer is bread, halwa, puri that can spoil between 2 to 3 days. The next is can be kept for a week. So your answer is mathari, laddu, potato chips. So mathari is a kind of snack. It's a Rajasthani snack and it look like a biscuit. The next question is would not spoil till 1 month. So your answer is chikki, khakra and roasted peanuts. So this is your answers. Next question state whether true or false. The first question foods are preserved so that we can enjoy them throughout the year. So your answer is true. Next is different kinds of food items spoil due to different reasons. Answer is again true. Next is it is not useful to read and note the information given on the packets of food. So answer is false. It is useful to read and note the information given on the packets of food. Next is a bread which has developed mold or fungus can be consumed. So answer is false. We cannot consume a bread which has developed mold or fungus. So here your answer is false. Now the next question. It is matching. Match the following. So given below are some food items and some simple methods by which this could be kept for fresh for 1 to 2 days. Match the correct pairs. So first is milk. How can we keep milk fresh for 1 to 2 days? So by boiling it. So boil it is your answer. Next is cook rice. So for that, put it in a bowl and keep the bowl in a container with some water. Next is green coriander or dhania. So wrap in a damp cloth. Next is onion and garlic. So keep it in a dry open place. So here the answer of the matching is also given to you. This one. Milk by boiling it. Cook rice by putting it in a bowl and keep the bowl in a container with some water. And then green coriander or dhania, so by wrapping in a damp cloth, and onion or garlic, so by keeping it in a dry open place. So these are the answer of your matchings. Now next question. That is multiple choice question or MCQ. So in that first one, in which season does the food get spoiled easily? The options are winter, monsoon, summer or spring. So answer is also given to you, summer. In summer season, the food gets spoiled easily. So summer is your answer. Next is what appears on the moist bread when it is kept for a few days? The options are bacteria, fungus, virus and algae. So, fungus will appear on a moist bread when it is kept for a few days. So, fungus is your answer. The next question. Which of the following can be kept fresh by putting it in a bowl which is kept in a container with some water? The options are milk, cooked rice, green coriander or mangoes. So answer is cooked rice. This we had already seen in the matching. Cooked rice can be kept fresh by putting it in a bowl which is kept in a container with some water. Now next is which of the following can be kept fresh by wrapping it in a damp cloth? The options are cooked rice, green coriander, onion, garlic or all of these. So your answer is green coriander. This can be kept fresh by wrapping it in a damp cloth. Next is how many weeks does it take to prepare Mami Di Tandra? So it takes 4 weeks to prepare Mami Di Tandra. So 4 is your answer. Now next question is very short answer type question. In that first one, food can be preserved by several methods given below. Give one example of each that can be preserved in the following ways. So first is drying. So by drying, we can preserve fish. So fish is your answer. Next is freezing. So meat can be preserved by method of freezing. Next is boiling. So by boiling, milk can be stored. Next is by adding preservative. So chips can be stored for longer time by adding preservatives. Next is sweetening and salting. That means by adding sugar or salt. So fruits and vegetables can be stored by sweetening and salting process. Next is what is the other name of Mami Di Tandra? So other name for Mami Di Tandra is Aam Papad. Now next question. Short answer type question. So first one is answer the following questions briefly. In that first, how do we know that food has got spoiled? So if the food got spoiled, the color will change, it will smell bad and we will be able to see some fungus growing on the food. So by these characteristics, we can find that food is spoiled or not. So this was your answer. Next is, what happens if a person eats spoiled food? So if a person eats spoiled food, he will fall sick. Next is, why are glass jars and bottles dried well in the sun before filling them with pickles? So to remove the moisture from the jars, as moisture allows the microorganisms to grow in it. That's why we are drying glass jars and bottles in the sun before filling them with pickles. The next is, what do you mean by preservation of food? So preservation, that means keeping the food safe for a long term use without getting spoiled. So this is the preservation. So next is, answer the following question based on Mamidi Tandra. In first is, how is Mamidi Tandra prepared? So Mamidi Tandra prepared by mixing sugar and jaggery with ripe mangoes pulp and drying it under the sun for 4 weeks. So this is the process of Mamidi Tandra, by mixing sugar and jaggery with ripe mango pulp and drying it under the sun for 4 weeks. The next question is, why is the mixture of jaggery and pulp dried in sun? So adding jaggery and drying under the sun act as a preservative which allows the food to stay fresh for a long time. So that's why we are mixing jaggery and drying the pulp in the sun. The next is, why was the mixture of jaggery and pulp covered with a clean sari? So to protect the Mamidi Tandra from dust, it was covered with a clean sari. Now next is, answer the following questions. In that first one, what food items do you preserve in a refrigerator? So fruits, vegetables, eggs, chocolates and cooked food for 1-2 days, we are preserving them in a refrigerator. Next is, make a list of food items that you keep in the freezer. So meat, chicken, fish, ice creams, frozen packaged food that can be stored in a freezer to keep them fresh or to store them for a longer time. Next is, name some items in which preservatives are added to make them last long. So ready-made snacks like chips, cakes, biscuit and cookies, namkeens, we are adding preservatives in this item to make them last long. Next is also question answer. In that first one, when food gets spoiled in your house, what do you do with it? So when food gets spoiled in our house, we use it for making compost in garden, or we are throwing them in the garbage bin. The next is, why did BG return the bread packet? So BG returned the bread packet because it was old and the bread gets spoiled. So that's why BG returned the bread packet. The next question, how did she find that the bread had got spoiled? So by reading the best before date, BG found that the bread had got spoiled. So this is your answer. Next question, what can we do? What can we know from what is written on the packet? Or what we can know, what information we can get from the packets, food packets. So we can know about the following things from what is written on the packet. And that things are, first is net weight, then after batch number, date of packing, best before date or expiry date, then nutritional information, maximum retail price, and manufacturer. So this information we can get from the food packets. Next is, when you buy anything from the market, what do you look for on the packet? So when we buy anything from the market, we look for net weight, best before date, and maximum retail price, etc. on the packet. We are looking for this information on the packet. Next question, why is sugar and jaggery mixed into mango pulp and dried in the sun? So sugar and jaggery is mixed into the mango pulp and dried in the sun to preserve it in the form of aam papad. So this is why we are adding sugar and jaggery in the mango pulp. Here form will come. Next is, why are glass jars and bottles are dried well in the sun before filling them with pickles? So this already we had seen, that glass jars and bottles are dried well in the sun before filling them with pickles so that they are free from moisture. So this is your answer. Next is, write some ways to eat mangoes round the year. So we can make different items like pickle, aam papad, chutney, chikki, etc. to eat mangoes round the year. Next is, list all the different types of pickles that you know about. So different types of pickles are listed below, that is mango pickle, lemon pickle, gooseberry pickle, then next is ginger pickle, carrot pickle, and there are many more. So these are the different types of pickles. So here our chapter 4 gets over. You have to write this exercise in your notebook, and the next video we will see the next chapter. Thank you.